Hello guys, shout out. So welcome back sa team vlog. At ngayon, dito sa Mass sa Alliance Church. Ito naman.
I was really struck sa ibang mga na nakasila sa sunod, layo sila ng pamilya, layo sila ng mga halos at ng
Doctor of Theology na aduna po siya the same worldview.
Hi guys, so tapos na tayo guys. Tapos tayo mag-church. Hey guys. So what's up mga tol, ayun nakamassage na si Era. Sige lang ma'am, thank you. How was it? It's good? Smile. What's up guys? Ayun, hindi nyo kami masyadong makikita. Bumili pa yung mama ko ng bread guys. Shout out Jolis, baka naman. Itong sa Ira, kumusta yung massage niya? Oh, hold it. How was your massage? Tell them.
It's good. I am so tired now. Oy, she poop. My massage is good, but I also don't like it because everyone is staring at me, and they're like, the children coming like in front of me and like staring, and old men like staring. I just feel uncomfortable, so I just look in the roof because I cannot look at people because I get uncomfortable.
Yep, so awkward daw guys, awkward moment. Pero tara guys, medyo madilim na guys at gutom talaga guys, no? Pag ulan, umuulan kasi guys, oh. Kaya gutom guys, gutom. So pauwi na din kami guys, and patuloy natin yung vlog pag makauwi na tayo guys. So let's, nandito na tayo sa bahay guys. Tapos na tayo at nakakain na si Era, nakakain na din ako. Hindi na kami nakapag vlog ng continue guys, at yun lang yung vlog natin siguro sa ngayon guys. Yun lang ginawa namin, yun lang ginawa namin guys. Nakapag-church kami, nakapunta ng grocery konti, at nakapag-massage si Ira. So kahit short vlog guys, at least naka-update tayo guys, no? At thank you sa panonood nyo guys. God bless.